Yo, what's good guys? So another one today, currently at this air raid shelter, man. Say I am with the Phantom Explorer, it's just there. So, right guys, we are gonna go and check out this air raid shelter, man. So, let's go. And here we go guys, on we go. I am going to try and do a one take shot for you. So I believe it's an air raid shelter that we're in. Big shout out to Portly P for passing me the pin. Been wanting to do this one for a while. Yeah, just keep walking. Just keep going. Yeah, been blocked up. Got a bit of a cold going on here. You go that way, I'll go this way. We're going to split up for a second, guys. It should bring us back to the same area, to be fair. Yeah. Yeah. It's there. Same area. It's alright so far. I've had bigger, as she would say. Oh. Here we go. So, this is the portraits of the people. What I'm going to do is, guys, before we go any further, I'm going to give you some history just here.
This creepy bunker was used as an air raid shelter by staff at the nearby Littlewood site during World War II. Liverpool was the second most bombed city in the UK during the time of the war. The underground bunker is hidden from the public eye and has attracted urban explorers over the years due to the strange face portraits that line the walls in part of the shelter. The mystery of the portraits still feels mysterious to some as the drawings have initials underneath them. Since the war, the portraits of the people have remained untouched. According to a subreddit, the air raid shelter has 13 entrances and is 300 meters long. The shelter is a very warm place to explore and can have a creepy feel to it when walking around the tunnels alone.
You just saw the history there, guys, so here we go. Let's have a look at these as we go across. That's mad. More just here as we go through. Another one just here. Just show you these while we're here, guys. Sounds like someone whistling in here, but there's nobody in here. Well, we don't think anyway.
You'll find out.
That's it. We will find out. This is a nice thing to come and see. And it is dark outside as well, it's pitch black, guys. So, just going to pop my head up here. There's another way that way. I don't know what this is here. So, just turn this around, guys. It's all blocked up. Yeah. So we will come back to them portraits in a sec, guys. I just want to continue this way. Continue walking. Turn right and duck, he says. Oh. Okay, so it is literally just, anyway, but we'll go right again. Walking over all this broken bricks and that, guys. Crazy. Again, that's just dead end now. And this says again, turn right and duck. Ooh, the water did something now. Turn right and duck. These bricks are a bit wobbly. Yeah. Oh, it's flooded that way. It's all flooded down there, guys. Make that out. I was going to bring me ones as well, you know, but I've got my boots instead. This way's fine. Again, turn right and duck. Turn right and left. There we go, guys. I just thought to change my light for you a sec. Oh. I don't know if that's doing justice on the camera, guys, but I can see where I'm going. It's getting worse down here, so let me just change the light for you again, guys, because I don't think it's doing justice for you. There we go. Right or left? We go right.
Right, is it right?
Yeah. Fucking hell. That's what I mean, you know which way you're walking. Oh, we're at the end now. So we're at the end where the toilets are. Just here. Toilet block.
Oh, yeah, so bad to do it down here.
Here's the toilet block. There is more this way, I noticed. Right?
Yeah.
Fall over something.
Yeah, tripped over. I'm known to trip.
More toilets here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm known to
Another block up. Another blocked area. So we'll see you back where the portraits are, guys. We'll see you there. And here we are, guys. We are back at the portraits. So I'm going to call them portraits. I don't think anybody else calls them that, but that's what I'm calling them, because they are quite impressive. I'm not going to lie. Thought I'd show you a bit more while I'm here, guys. So sorry about the torch skills then. Then we've got some crap graffiti as usual. Just some stupid tag. But not as good as this side. This side's way better. It's like a Peaky Blinder. I'm probably being dumb, it's probably portraits of people. So I haven't really looked too much into this place. I just saw him and I thought I wanted to come see him myself. But you did hear this early on in the video, so you'll know by now why they're here. Yeah, we are going to continue this way. And guys, look at this. It's all cracked. But we are going to go the opposite way and have a look around, aren't we? So we'll go. Let's go that way. But we are on dangerous ground. Should be okay. We should be fine. It's quite sturdy. But yeah, it's quite bad as well, as you see over there. So be careful. Look at this, guys. Careful. Look at this, all cracked, man.
Oh, it's all gone down now.
Someone lying down?
No, I thought that was.
Oh.
I saw the box here.
Slippy. I didn't slip, but it's slippy. Just pop our heads this way. We'll meet you around there. I'll meet you around there. Whew. So guys, this is a little interesting air raid shelter. They just keep going on and on and on and on. I can hear you slipping everywhere.
I'm glad you didn't see that. I literally went to the windows.
Look at all that, guys. It's cracked. We'll be careful.
Hey, take a picture, mate. It'll be a cracking shot.
And it will. So what's over here?
Another big crack. That's quite fresh around it.
Kind of a filled in area.
Quite fresh.
Probably is fresh. So yeah, I think it's just tunnels on tunnels here, guys. Should be there. Again that way.
Yeah.
See you around the next side. So we're continuing. I'm out of breath. There's a grid there. Usual case.
How you use the finger, why do you walk along one of these?
Oop. Don't bang your head.
No, you ain't getting in there. You get in there. Oh, I had a different one.
This way. Oh god, there's loads of toilets down here. Oh, this is dangerous now. Be careful where I'm walking. Look at all these. Just bricks on bricks, man. That's an old light. Put an old bowl. I'll go this way. So we are just changing ways, guys. Come on. Just keeps going, doesn't it?
Doesn't stop, does it?
No.
I'm going to make it from I need to rush down or bring over there.
Go this way, guys. We're at the end. We're at the end now. Over in the distance there he is. The peeping Tom. So guys, we will see you once we get outside. Let's go. So yeah guys, we're out. Pitch black, man, as you can tell. But that was a really good explore. I was going to say beautiful. That's how my face expression went a bit different. But yeah, so me and Phantom Explorer, wherever he is, there he is. We just done this tunnel, the air raid shelter, tunnel, whatever you want to call it, bunker. There's loads of names for it. So anyway, don't forget to check out the Phantom Explorer. Don't forget to check out all them social media up on screen. And we will see you in the next one. Where is he? There he is. Goodbye. See you soon, guys. Peace.